Engine is off. I'm taking off my seatbelt. And I'm recording, by the way.
Step the car, please, sir.
Step out of the car?
Please, sir, yeah.
Can you say why you want me to step out of the car?
Police.
Question, what's the purpose of this stop? What's the purpose of this stop? Morning, by the way. What's the purpose of this stop? The officer, why you come out of the car? The officer asked me to come out of the car. Why am I out with my phone? Because it's my phone and I have a right to record.
Record what?
Anything in the public view.
I hope one day when you're recording,
Mm-hmm.
you find it very interesting.
I've always found it very interesting.
The reason why we stop,
Yes.
get a report that a Tida,
Yes.
was stolen
Uh-huh.
in Manchester.
I recognize the here where this vehicle come from.
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know me.
I don't know you, sir.
All right.
I don't wish to
All right.
know you.
Go proceed.
Right.
Yes.
That is the reason.
That is the reason.
Just the color.
All right. And all right. So what do you want to see then?
Check your papers.
Uh-huh.
Check who is inside of the vehicle.
You say it was stolen. So if it was stolen or it was suspected of being stolen.
That's what I message we got.
Okay. And you believe that message was sufficient for you to stop this stealer?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Record all what you want.
Yes, man. That's a good makeup story, though, officer.
Take it. That's your opinion, sir.
Okay. Well, like when you,
Pop your trunk, please.
if you want me to pop my trunk, you're asking to search my vehicle, sir.
Pardon me?
You're asking. You said that
The documents.
that if you believe that this stealer is stolen, I'll give you some documents, so you can see that it is mine.
I understand why you're doing what you're doing.
You understand why I'm doing what I'm doing? What is your name? What is your name, by the way?
B.
Bob.
B. Yes. Inspector Bob.
Okay. Can I see your ID?
The documents of the vehicle.
The documents will come
right
shortly.
at the police station.
It doesn't matter, sir.
Right.
Criminals are aware.
Right at the police station, the police vehicle, sir, your document.
May I see your ID, please?
Don't be...
I want to know if you're a police station. I want to know if you're an officer. May I see your ID?
Inspector Bob in charge of Oak Bay Police Station.
Never heard of Inspector Bob before.
In charge of the Oak Bay Police Station.
Inspector in charge of Oak Bay Police.
Inspector Bob in charge of Oak Bay Police Station.
Okay.
Corporate now and I'm just stop you.
Okay.
Man.
So you want me to give you my documents to check if this is a stolen vehicle?
Sir,
all right.
I tell you
So,
1 million times.
after you see the documents, you will recognize that it's not a stolen vehicle, and then I am not giving you any consent to search my vehicle.
Sir.
Please give me the documents. Based on your made-up story about Tida. Inspector Bob. Yes, this is one. So when you recognize that this is mine, then you can enjoy yourself. About stolen vehicle. Stolen vehicle. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Now look if it's stolen. Before the driver's license, look if you said it is stolen, Inspector. Check if it's stolen. Check if it's stolen now. Look if it's stolen now. Just look if it's stolen now. And what if I don't have a driver's license?
You should have a driver's license, right?
I'll give you another form of ID.
Your driver's
You say you want to check if the vehicle is stolen, Inspector.
Sir, your driver's license.
To check if a vehicle is stolen. See, here you go.
Your driver's license, please.
Now when you match the two, please recognize the vehicle is not stolen and please hand my paper over. Let me close it there. About stolen. Make up story. Jermaine Dunn is the name. Every police in this parish should know this Tida. About Tida from Manchester. That is exactly where I come from. This is mine.
Have a good day, sir.
Same to you, sir. Take care, Inspector Bob. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.